Welcome to Tigogitong. Here we love to talk about food. I trust you're doing well at this very difficult time. Staying safe and more importantly, healthy. More than ever, it is important to have sufficient food at all times. Today, I'm going to take you through the process of drying maize. Now you may wonder why. Why would you want to know how to dry maize? This is a good question, I tell you. I want to assure you that knowledge of the preparation of the foods that you eat, and perhaps even having the skills, is a very important component of your food security. Did you know that maize came all the way from Mexico? And today it is an important staple food across all communities in Kenya and even Africa as a whole. So let's prepare to preserve some maize in these hard times. Maize comes from the farm semi-dry. And once you've removed it from the cob, it is further dried to completely remove the moisture. Once you've dried the maize, you want to preserve it. Some people use chemicals to keep away the pests, but we will use ash to achieve the same purpose. So as it's drying out on the mat, sprinkle some ash on the maize. And because you will have to keep on checking on your maize if it is keeping well, once in a while, we recommend that you store your maize in smaller portions for the easy management and overall security. In case you may have to hide them from the thieves when shit hits the roof. Reflecting on our forefathers, we know that they were able to store food for years and abate hunger, and that they could survive long droughts and famine until the next harvest. So we want to go through some of the methods that they used, such as drying, smoking, salting, fermentation, among others. We are going to show you simple, innovative ways that can be used to protect your food from pests and offer long-term preservation for food security. You only need a blackout of 2 to 3 days and your whole stock of food is compromised. We are going to look at this. Grains such as maize. But did you also know that vegetables too were dried and could keep for close to 2 years?